Today, I'm going to do something rather different, unscripted. I'm just go with the flow of what I'll be doing on this last video on YouTube. So before I begin, let's do a room tour on how many hundreds and thousands of hours I've been spending in here, sitting, delivering content. So maybe just show you what the room looks like because it's a very tiny room, but I made the best with everything. So first and foremost, that's where the camera stands. And look across this wall and the hall of my family that reminds me of the reason why I'm here today. And most importantly is the table. This desk is ultimately important. Look at the two lights behind me. Very, very important because I've got a laptop, a Mac that I deal with every day, and it needs to be in a certain order. Most importantly, two things that's really important is the books here. I always leave a couple books to make sure that when I get bored, I run off ideas, I pick something and just randomly read. But if not, I can just sit here and read. If I've got free spare time, obviously. But the other most important thing is this. I collect a lot of notebooks, okay? I've got a shelf full of them back there that I've completed. So I write a lot of notes on the daily basis. It's completely crazy. I do lots of notes analysis. I do it every single day. So I've got different books for different content that I write, and I've got a group of pens that I use to make sure that, I get my plans all sorted out, tables. It's just ideas. I believe in the second brain. I've got it written down. The digital, I've got second brains written down. So I need to make sure that I am up to scratch. And there you go. That's the wall of all my glasses that I keep and my hats on the shelves here. I love my caps. I love my caps. If I could do a shelf room full of caps, I would do that. And most importantly, I managed to keep all the tidiness. We've got kids in the house. I cannot escape. This is never clean because somebody always comes and wind me up. My kids always come and wind me up. If they're happy, they write, "I love you, Daddy." If they're not happy, they write poop faces with me on it. So this is the room tour. Very, very small, nothing too complex. If you want to start a YouTube channel, guys, it's really easy. Just get a camera and do it. But I cannot give you advice on how to grow 1 million subscribers because I am not even close. I can't even break the 20,000 mark. So the next part is really, I just want to recap the year. I just want to say thank you to everybody who supported me. A couple of things: YouTube, kids, investing, crypto. So YouTube, for me, I think I've failed this year. In terms of growth, I was aiming to get to 30,000, 40,000 subscribers for 2021. I failed. In fact, I only grew like about 5,000 subscribers. But what I am proud of is I've grew a community in Discord. I started free Discord. I think that's the best decision I've done. People started coming in. I started meeting the people that follows me, like you guys, the community. I've learned a lot. I've improved my crypto game. I've improved a lot of aspects that I don't see. I'm improving as well. So I hope you guys have improved. I just want to thank you guys very much for following me on the journey. YouTube has failed, but the community has grown. So I take the positive out of everything else. Kids and family, everybody's well. You guys don't realize how much time I need to sacrifice from my family sometimes to sit here to do my video editing on this machine here. Is really, really done really well for me. And I've got a workflow, but it takes time away from family. So my wife needs to take all the credit. My kids need to take lots of credit for being patient with me. And my wife keeps me up to date. If I'm spending too much time here, she will shout at me, say, "Get out, help out." I will go. I'll make sure that when everybody goes to bed, I clean up the house. I do everything as I can. But a lot of credit goes to her. And my kids have been very patient, very understanding. When Daddy needs the time in the room, they will keep quiet and they'll let me do. But once I'm out, I have to give them full attention. So as a dad, it's that balance. And it's not just me, but it's everybody helping me, keeping me up together, which I really appreciate. So thank you very much. And also, investing has been a ball. It's been great. I've done really well in investing. 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, I beat the market. I cannot complain. I've grown wealth to an amount which it's just surpassed my goal, and to keep a track of 2025 for early retirement, it's really a goal that I can see closing now, sitting in 2022. So it's crazy. In terms of crypto, I've been spending loads of time on crypto. It comes to a point where I do not have to worry about a financial bug. So, for example, the reason why I started this journey is I worry that if there was another oil crash, I'll lose my job, I'll lose the roof over my head, I'll lose everything. But now, with my investment, with my knowledge, and additional new ammunition on crypto, I can feel so confident that if anything happens tomorrow, I can just turn on that switch. I can literally turn on that switch and be financially independent. I'm just here playing the game on the 9 to 5 market just now, but I need a reason. What will I do if I leave the 9 to 5 job? So end of the day, if you leave the 9 to 5, I can manage things on a daily basis in terms of schedule. But Alex, if you go 9 to 5, what would you do? I can't do YouTube all day because YouTube is not going to generate income for me. So I need to make my time worthwhile. So crypto is a space that potentially I could start a business. Loads of potential. So maybe something to share in the future, but at the moment, I think I'm going to keep it confidential just now, and hopefully you share more. But other than that, this video is my last YouTube video for 2021. I'm not leaving yet, guys. I know that it's a disappointing year for me in YouTube. Great investing, great crypto, great community, but I need to shake things up. I need to change. So I would appreciate you guys first to like this video. Just help me grow algorithm and all that YouTube funky stuff. Just make sure that somebody else will see it, another family. And secondly, if you guys can leave a comment below, not for algo, but just to tell me where that you have liked, what videos you have liked, what are the stunts or stuff that you like. I've experimented a lot of stuff, or what are the content that you like. Perhaps I should go there. But the other thing that I need to understand is entertainment. Education without entertainment will not come together to drag me out of this slump, because I focus so much on education, no entertainment. Perhaps I need to turn my camera a couple of times around, but you tell me what will be entertainment aspects which will engage viewers. I need you guys to help me. I want to grow with you all, everybody, because I've got so much information that I share. I think I've been helping people. I'm confident I've been helping those people make money. But if you guys leave a comment or suggestion what I can do, and if you guys are on my Discord, I can say my Discord isn't the best, but I appreciate you guys being very, very patient with me. So I hope to shake things up. Maybe Discord, maybe YouTube, I don't know. So things like that, I just need to help you guys on your journey. I cannot help everybody. I cannot help the millions of people in the world, but at least if I can help a couple thousands, couple hundred people, it really, really makes my day. So this is me. The journey is tough, but financially it is really good. 2025, focus on early retirement. It's there. I can actually pull it closer. I can flick the switch on crypto if I want to, but I'm really, really holding back for several reasons. Hopefully I share that in the future. So unedited, raw, and uploaded to you. Thank you very much. Have a good new year. I hope you guys enjoy your Christmas. Remember, family is the reason why you're watching my video. Family is the reason why you want to make it work, so they can build a wealth and nest for you, your kids, your family, your parents. Thank you very much. Have a good day. My name is, call me Alex. Cool. Hope to see you soon.